Good morning everyone. We just feed the chicken and duck breakfast. You can see, yes, eating together. We have duck, chicken and geese. So all of them they eat together here. So you can see here. This looks so beautiful. It's a good breakfast for them. You can see. Hello. They love eating very much. So I put a rice, banana and feed we mixing together. So you can see like they love eating very much. They are super fat here. You can see just it is from my small farms. You can see they grow a lot. You can see here. So thank you everyone for watching. Thank you very much.